Hello students, from today your new class will be start class 10. So today we'll discuss chapter number 4, that is inequality or inequation. So what is this? So which type of sign is this? This is called equation sign, equal sign. If there is given 2x plus 5 is equal to 8, from here you have to find out the value of x. Because there is given equal sign, that's why this is called equation. Okay. Now, if in the place of equal sign, if there is given greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, then this type of signs is called inequation sign. Suppose there is given 5 box 3. So which sign you have to put here? Greater than or less than? So obviously 5 is greater than 3, that's why you have to put here greater than sign. If there is given 2 box 7, so you know that 2 is smaller than 7, that means 2 is lesser than 7, that means you have to put here less than sign. Okay, suppose there is given 5 is greater than 3. If you multiply in both side -1, that means this 5 is converted to -5 and 3 is converted to -3. Now can you tell which one is bigger, -5 or -3? Obviously -3 is bigger than -5. Why? Because -3 comes to right hand side to from -5. If you go to the number line, you can see that there is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, then -5. So -3 is come after -5. That means -3 is bigger than -5. That means I want to say if you multiply in both side -1, then the sign will be changed. There is given greater than sign, the sign will be changed to less than sign. In the similar process you can use here also. If you multiply -1 in both side, this 2 is converted to -2 and 7 is converted to -7. That time less than sign is converted to greater than sign. Okay, these things you have to remember, others all problem you have to do like equation. Now go to our first problem, question number 2. Look at question number 2. There is given solve 2 into x minus 3 less than 1, where x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So here is given 2 into x minus 3 less than -1. So 2 into question number 2 x minus 3 less than -1. Okay, now you have to solve it. So how to solve? At first you have to multiply these two with 3x minus 3. So this will be 2x minus 6 less than 1. Now if these 6 go to that side, this will be 7 happen, because 1 plus 6. Now 2 is less than 7 by 2. Now 7 by 2 means 3.5. So the solution set will be, the solution set is, what is given here? Here is given x belongs to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. That means you have to make the solution set from these numbers. So 7 by 2 means 3.5. So you have to make the solution set from here. So the solution set will be 1, 2 and 3 only. 4 we can't take because here is given x is less than 3.5. So which numbers is belongs? This 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay. So this is our answer. Now go to the next problem. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. List the solution set of 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30. So here is given 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30. From here you have to find out the value of x. Now look, if this 30 is go to that side, minus 4 2x minus 1, if this 30 is go to that side, this will be 30 minus 30, that will be 0 happen. Now if you multiply this number, here it will be minus 8x and minus minus it will be plus 4 less than 0. Now minus 8x less than, if this 4 go to that side, this will be minus 4 happen. Now if you multiply both sides by minus 1, then what happen? The sign will be changed. So here it will be 8x greater than 4 happen. Now x is greater than 4 by 8, so that will be 1 by 2. Now you have to find out the solution set. So solution set you have to make, here is given x is a positive integer. So which positive integer have greater than half? So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the solution set is the solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 and so on. Now go to next problem. Question number 6. Question number 6 is given here. If x is a negative integer, find the solution of this. So the number is given here 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and x plus 1 is greater than 0. So from here you have to find out the value of x, where x is a negative integer given. Let me write again this one. 2 by 3, 1 by 3, x plus 1 is greater than 0. Now if this 2 by 3 go to that side, it will be minus 2 by 3 happen. Now multiply this. This is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3 greater than minus 2 by 3. If this 1 by 3 go to that side, this will be minus happen. So 1 by 3x greater than minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 x greater than, so here it will be, what is the LCM of 3 and 3? This is 3. There is minus 2 minus 1. So here it will be 1 by 3 x greater than minus 3 by 3. So this is minus 1 happen. So 1 by 3 x is greater than minus 1. So this is x is greater than minus 3 happen. So you have to make the solution set from the negative integer. So which negative integers have after minus 3? So the solution set is after minus 3 there is minus 2 and minus 1. So this is our solution set. Now in this way you can solve question number 8 and question number 10. These two is your homework, question number 8 and question number 10. Thank you everyone.